It's crazy. We're on day 48. I remember when I first started, bro, and I was on like day 11, day 12. So it's just dope that we really built this habit of vlogging every single day, posting the vlog the same day we record, all of that. So yeah, we about to finish cooking this last round of steak, y'all. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 meals just to make 3 more. So we're solid. Tomorrow we are gonna go and get some more stuff. So need to get some rice, like 6 of those. I'll probably just get some more chicken, some more steak, just so we could just load back up. And then, yeah, so we're going to do a slight grocery shop tomorrow for sure.